Here's a video for my dental network. Many of you will know that I wrote a number of books over the last 3 years. One of those books was Inspire, Consult, Sell, specifically for dental teams, in particular clinicians, and thinking from the dentist, hygienist, therapist and TCOs perspective. When you're having a conversation with a patient, how do you make sure that conversation is consultative, it builds trust with the patient, really helps the patient to see the credibility that you have as a clinician, because being a great clinician nowadays is just not enough. You have to be a great communicator. You have to be able to communicate the effectiveness of your treatments with patients. And we have a model within the book and the program that we run that helps you to really start to develop that communication approach and the skills that are required to engage patients more effectively. And after reading the book, lots of clinicians will come and ask about the course. So we have a brilliant course that used to be a 2-day course. So we ran a 2-day Practice Growth Academy consultative selling course, which we were running quite successfully. And then I had a number of practices ask me, can you condense this to a single day? And initially I thought it's really difficult to get all of the concepts across in a single day, but I worked with a couple of practices in particular, and we developed a 1-day course, and it's been incredibly effective. So actually this year I've made the decision that we're going to bring that 1-day course to market to as an open program to clinicians that want to come together from different practices. And the first time we'll run this course as an open course is in May, so Friday the 2nd of May. And it's a 1-day course for clinicians, dentists, therapists, hygienists and TCOs. And we'll walk you through step by step how to improve that consultative approach to patient communication so that you can inspire commitment to increase treatment case acceptance. And what we're seeing from clinicians that join the program is that within the first month, they're making back the investment of the course, because instead of the 2 full days, it's a single day out of practice and a single day to really hone and improve your skills in communicating with your patients. So if you would like details, please feel free to contact me. It's going to be held at the Acteon Head Office in St Neots in Cambridgeshire. It's Friday the 2nd of May. It'll be a full day, 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. And we'll go through all of the key stages, all of the key principles from the book, only the best content. We've really cherry-picked the very best content for the program so that we make sure that we have maximum impact in a single day. If you'd like details, if you'd like to contact me, then feel free to drop me a DM or put a comment on this post and I'll happily send you more details. I'd love for you to join us so that you can improve your communication with your patients, increase case acceptance and help your practice to really thrive in 2025.